Good morning, guys. Captain Jimmy Armel here of whoop, whoop. American Fishing Charters going, guys. Got it on 2 times to make sure y'all know. Guys, real quick, I'm here to show you how we take care of our camera equipment. Care of equipment, baby. Army people, not just Army Rangers, know all about that, guys, especially you grunts out there, gunfighters out there in the field slinging it out. Guys, so I'm going to show you, this is the GoPro 8 Black. We got some 9s and a 10. I'm going to show you how to clean this one. This is our underwater camera. I'm going to pop out the legs with my handy dandy treble hook here. To show you all what we're working with. Okay, look at that in there, guys. Y'all can see a bunch of salt and whatnot, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Starbright salt off. Okay, guys, you just got me a normal toothbrush. I'm going to go all around the outside of this thing. Okay, guys, just like this. Okay, make sure you get in these crevices where those hinges are really good. Okay, and push them down, scrub in there. Okay, and then I'm gonna come all over this camera, guys, because you can see those buttons, like even these buttons that look flat, they obviously have little crevices in them. Okay, they got to have cracks to move. Everything's got to be put together, and that salt can get in there and mess your stuff up. So there we go, guys. Just do that. All right, I'm gonna rinse it real quick. I'm gonna rinse it, hit it with a paper towel real quick, just dry off all that excess water. And then what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna take off the lid. Okay, this is somehow not bad. So guys, you can see how that battery cover latches. And guys, plain, simple, easy. I'm gonna run it in the crevices. I'm gonna rinse. And then I'm just gonna lay it out to dry, guys. That's, we run 4 GoPros at a time and keep a 5th on the boat as a spare. We do this with battery chargers and everything else. Make sure you don't hit where the batteries connect. Okay, be careful. In those hard to reach places, just dry do it with a Q-tip, or just use a tiny bit of salt off and then go behind and dry it with a Q-tip, guys. This stuff is a great product. We use it in our engines, on our boats, on our fishing reels, and on our cameras. This is, I use a lot of Starbright products, obviously. This is right up there with Startron as often as I use it, and a non-skid deck cleaner. It's a daily use product pretty much for everything, guys. I also rinse off my trailer that's parked outside in my driveway because I keep my boat on the water. I go out there, every other week or so, get a bottle of salt off, put on there, and just rinse it off real good, guys. It keeps everything, eats that salt away, keeps your stuff fresh, clean, and new. So when you go to sell it, it holds its value. Y'all stay sane, stay safe as I learn how to talk, and we'll see y'all out on the water.